So as you can see outside, it was snowing. So I decided I'm going to try my hand at making some yellow curry. And we're going to add chicken breast to it. So I've got carrots, onions, gold potatoes, maple yellow curry paste, some coconut milk, stealing some sugar from the coffee sugar container. Ginger, turmeric, garlic powder, chicken broth, salt, pepper, and we're going to get this all put together. Got to get this cut up and get this going. Was going to cook outside today, but not in that weather. All right, so I got the carrots, the potatoes, the onions, and the chicken all cut up. And you know, I realize this is probably not going to be super authentic, but this is going to be the man kitchen way. All right, let's get this moving. All right, so I got my chicken chopped up. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm just going to add that to my chicken. All right, so I'm going to use olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, coconut oil, whatever you want, but I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Let that heat up and add the onions. All right, so I did add a half a teaspoon of salt to my chicken. I didn't show that. There's going to be some soy sauce in here, so I don't want to over salt it. Anyway, now we're going to put our onions in and get those cooking for a couple of minutes. All right, onions been going for a couple of minutes. I'm going to put the 3 tablespoons of the yellow curry paste in there with some coconut milk. Oops, we got most of the solids in there, but that's all right. What I want to do is kind of loosen up the curry paste, get the lumps out. Okay, I'm going to put my seasoned chicken in there and let it cook for 4 or 5 minutes. Been going about 6 minutes on that chicken. I won't be completely done, but it's going to be cooking for a little while longer, so that's okay. So you want to add the rest of your coconut milk. One cup of chicken broth. Probably about a 1/4 cup more water. I want to get the rest of this coconut milk out of this can. And we want to let this simmer for a minute or two. We're going to add our potatoes and carrots. And stir these in, and we're going to let this simmer for, I'm going to bring this up and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the carrots and potatoes are tender. All right, you want to bring it up to a boil like that. Now, those of you that know my channel, you know I grow jalapenos and make a lot of jalapeno stuff. And if you let your jalapenos turn red and then smoke them, dry them, and crush them, you have crushed your own homemade chipotle powder. So I'm going to only add a half a teaspoon because these are hot. So we like our yellow curry hot. Look, there's a local restaurant where we always get the spicy one. All right, so I'm going to turn this down to a simmer and let it go for 15 minutes. Right, it has been about 16 minutes. I already checked the potatoes and carrots. They are done, and the last thing I'm going to add is a teaspoon of sugar. It'll tame the little bit of heat that we put in there down a little bit. Calls for a little soy sauce for a teaspoon. We're going to do about a half a teaspoon. All right, and that is done. Let it cool off just a little bit before we take a taste test. Okay, so there you go. That's my yellow curry. I have a homemade chipotle in there. Weather outside's just cold, and it's supposed to be 80 by Wednesday, which is 4 days from now. All right, there we go. Chicken, potatoes. Let's see, carrots. See how we did. Do a carrot. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Do a little. We do have the heat in there. I got that chipotle in there. I can taste it, which is good because, like I said, when we have this at the restaurant, we always ask for it hot. So, turned out really good. So there you go. Easy easy yellow curry in the man kitchen. All right, well, thanks for watching. Come back and see what we make next. Hope you have a great day.